3, 2, 1. Well, Ray, we've got to the point. Maybe you can tell us, what's the difference between what we had previously
Sure.
and the latest? What's the main advantages and the main differences between these two systems?
So first of all, ROM as a long-term Dahua users, we experience a lot. So we're watching the growth of the ROM, from the 100 channel, now it's 2,000, 3,000 channel of the cameras. For the old system that we're having the two servers managed together, but they are separate. They are not all in one. And so it's very complex for the operators to operating them. They need to switch from one to another.
Switching between servers all the time.
Yes,
correct.
it's very low efficiency. So for now, the newer system, what we do is using a DS Pro, Dahua security software, having managing them together. And also, we're adopting with the old server. We will be continuously using them. And now it will have a main server of the DS Pro and two sub-servers from the old all-in-one device. And now they can managing as one. And for the operators, they can only just using one client and one interface to managing everything.
They also, what I like about this, it's a load balancing effect. So if the one device falls over, the other one just carries the load. So we've got dual redundancy on the monitoring side of it as well.
Right.
We are very excited to see the differences in the software.
Yeah, of course. So from here, and first of all, for Dahua DS Pro software, we got mainly 3 and 4 sections. For the first section is add device part. So from the add device part, we can add various of device from various ways. So from the normal camera, the IP camera, the NVR or the recorders, and also the video intercom, and also the AMPR camera for the plate recording, and also the video wall controls, like the video wall screen that we can control. And now we're back to the monitoring center. So in the monitoring center, the operators and also us, we can just manipulate it to all the channels that we can view, and no matter which kind of channel, as long as we have the authority on that one. And also down below is the AMPR channel, so we can view the car passing by. It will have the pop-up, the event from the right side that we will get the event. And from the event center, so here will be like the normal operator will be seeing the interface. So the operator will be receiving this kind of pop-up notification, and it will contain the snapshot and also a clip of the video. So they can quickly knowing this is a false alarm, or this is a regular trigger, or this is actually a very severe, like the alarm things happen. So they can just quickly note down below, and also he can send the email to the end user of where they wanted to send. And the next section is the alarm history. So sometimes the event pop up for very frequently. So for one operator cannot operating fully, so they can back to the event center to checking everything, to confirm everything he has handled. You can see there is a small hand there. It's like the thing they have been already operating with them. And then the next section is a dashboard. This is a very important part in the very neat and very all-in-one type. So it can give you the real-time the dashboard status, especially like how many alarms generated now and how many channels having generated alarms. And also it can give you a conclusion like a daily report, weekly report, and monthly report as well. And lastly is a maintenance center. So in the maintenance center, we can quickly knowing all the server status, because now we have the one main server and two sub-servers. So the main server will be handling everything. It will be knowing that what status of my sub-server status. And also up there, it have the capacity of the CPUs, the RAMs, and also the disk's capacity, and also the NetSpeak load balance things there. And now this is everything from the Dahua DS Pro that we can offer. Thank you.
We've got the involvement of Dahua and Sean here, the product manager over the whole of Africa. And they've embarked with us in upgrading the entire monitoring facility backbone from Dahua's side. And we are very excited to have them on board. This being the first control room in South Africa to run what they call or refer to as the DSS Pro software.
Okay, so Dahua DS Pro is our central management platform, mainly focused on the video surveillance. so we can do it in a central room, and we use the Dell server for the hardware, and we use a client to do all the operation in the control center, including the alarm generate, alarm handle, and alarm reports. And by this, we can provide value to our customers.
Hello everyone, so my name is Sophie and I'm from the Dahua, South Africa. My title is a product and solution engineer. So especially for this one project, so to be honest, since from at the beginning is how to do the solution design, and two is how to deliver the project. So everything, and I am busy involved. So currently, and we already is finished everything, and all the system is working perfectly. And I have to say, so thank you, ROM, the guys is assistance, because yeah, you help us is a lot. And also, I need to say thank you for our team, and especially for the sales guys, and even they not attending this meeting, but they also supply a good best prices, right? Yeah, and our internal team is for my boss, is for my college, and they also gave me some assistance and some guidance.
My name is James. I'm from China, from Dahua headquarters. I'm a product manager as well. So we cooperate with ROM for a long time, and thank you for ROM for long-term trust with each other. So if there is anything wrong with our products or anything wrong with our software, please contact us anytime. I'm so happy to serve you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ray. I'm Product and Solution Manager from Dahua, South Africa. So for ROM's project, actually we involved for very early beginning, because since they are using Dahua for a very long time. And we always try to optimize the solution for them, try to let them to having the best experience and also the best efficiency for their systems. So, and for my position, actually, I was getting a lot of the source from China, try to getting involved with this site and trying to see what kind of best solution we can offer. And in this way, so we generate currently the best solution we can offer. And of course, we know we can getting a lot of the great turnouts.
Hello, my name is Sean, and I'm a product and solution engineer for Africa region. So I will respond for the ecosystem of the solution for ROM. So I always speak with Roy, what kind of new product we can bring to ROM and what kind of better service we can provide to our customers.